Hey, Junior Engineer. Are you ready to explore space? Let's turn the crank and see how the sun, the earth, and the moon all interact. Your model should look like this. First, turn the crank and take a look at what's happening. You'll see the moon is orbiting the earth, and together, the moon and the earth orbit around the sun. It's like a big cosmic dance. How long does it take the earth to go all the way around the sun? Look at the months marked on your plate. It takes 12 months or one whole year. Now move Earth to the current month. For me, that's March. Now find the month of your birthday. For me, that's May. Spin it over, and that's where Earth will be during your special day. Awesome work! You just learned how the Earth and the Moon orbit through space. Are you ready for the next challenge? Finish up the steps in the instruction booklet, and I'll see you back here for experiment number 3.